guys, welcome back to my channel Trish Tales. So today I'm just going to have one of the first experiences of getting my nails done. So I've never had nail extensions or any kind of nail art in my entire life till now. So there are many nail parlors and not exactly sure where to head towards. And also one thing, so I've never seen any nail parlor which is vacant at any point of time. So every time each one or the other person is getting their nails done definitely. So we'll just experience that today and let's go. Focus. What's your name first of all? Sorry? Miri. Okay.
Giá đầu tiên một lần we have to gel color as well. And yeah.
So gel color would be uniform.
So basically gel color is like plain color, any color you want. If you want an ombre, you can choose like this as well.
So the very first step was cutting my original nails and giving them a proper shape. So this was the second step where an electric nail filer was used to polish the skin a little bit and remove all the dead cells and cuticles.
What shape you want today?
What shape? This one.
Okay.
So the third step was very interesting and amazing, guys. So he just started applying these nail tips, or I would say a fake nail, and this was done via glue. It was a very weird feeling at that point of time. So in the fourth step, the nail tips were cut according to the size and shape that I wanted. But imagine going outside with such kind of nails. Would it be fun? So in the fifth step, acrylic powder and a liquid is used, which is applied on top of the nail tips and given a desired shape and size. So after the acrylic nails were applied, the sixth step was filing my nail again as per the shape. Yes,
Okay. Gel color.
Gel color, yeah. So I need to select from this one.
Can you have a look?
यार मेरे को प्रतिभा कुछ भी समझ नहीं आ रहा है. हाँ. Now trust me guys, this was one of the toughest decisions because I was not able to finalize the color exactly.
Shorter.
I just want a little bit short, not much, maybe this much. If that's okay?
Yeah.
So this was the seventh step, guys, which is called nail buffing, where the nails are polished or rubbed with a nail buffer board. Is it pink only now? Yes, yes. So finally we reached to this step, which was the application of the gel color, and I opted for pink, a very basic one because I could not think of any other color. And then after the application of gel color, my nails were put into this nail dryer, and this whole process, I would say, was repeated I think 3 times.
Done.
Done? Okay, thank you.
Thank you. The person who was doing my nails was not in a good mood, I think.
he might have had a bad day today. Hey guys, so my nails are done and I'm super happy because this was my first time experience getting nail extensions. So yeah, this is it. I think it's looking quite good. So I had a good experience today. So see you everyone in my next vlog and next video. Pratima, say hi. I mean bye. Okay, bye bye everyone, and take care and stay safe.